Wall clock in Chinese means 挂钟. Gua zhong. Zhong is the Chinese word for clock, for all kinds of clocks. Gua means hanging. Gua is a verb that means hanging, so in this character, this is what we call hand radical. And now let's see how to write the right part. It seems that these two parts are like one stroke, but actually they are separate strokes and separate parts. So I finish this part first and then come to the lower part. In the character zhong, we find this metal radical. The right is for the meaning. Gua zhong, wall clock.